Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to enable earthquake alerts on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, a Google Pixel, or another Android based phone, and then I have you covered. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to select the setting gear button on your mobile phone, and then here at your mobile settings, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to find and locate this safety and emergency, and then you need to click. So here at safety and emergency, and then you need to select this earthquake alerts and then click again. So here now at earthquake alerts, so what does it means? So Android Earthquake Alerts system service that detects earthquakes and sends alerts before a shaking begins. This system uses a network or phone accelerometers to detect ground motions and analyze if determines to the locations and size of an earthquake. Alright, so if you want to allow alerts, then you can keep a toggle to the right or click the inside the oval one time and turn it on. Alright, on the right side, you can see this button, and then we need to toggle on right. So it means it's already a turn on. Alright, so when earthquake is detected nearby, you'll get an alert when the initial estimated magnitude and distance from your locations. So you can read also in another informations about this earthquake alerts. If you want to disable, so toggle this button, and that's it guys. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.